But Daddy, I'm not yet ready. Okay, welcome to my show today. Today we are spelling and writing, drawing. Do you know how to draw or to spell? If you know both, write in the comments if you know both. So, our first word is going to be dog. Because I love dogs. Dog. Now it's your turn to spell the word dog. Again, it's your turn, children. Good. I'm giving you a tick for that. And the second word is cat. Cat. Your turn, children, to spell. Good job. Last time. Good job. I'm giving you a tick. Good people. So, let's spell the word bag together. B-A-G. So it's your turn. B-A-G. B-A-G. Now it's your turn alone. Good job, you get a tick. Today we are drawing a flower. Let me get a good spot. Okay. We first start with a circle in the middle. And like that. Those rings going around it. And this stump and a leaf and the garden tree. That is how you draw a flower. Want to draw any decorations? You can draw a hat, confetti, anything you like. Me, I'm drawing a hat, a bee. See? My painting is beautiful. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.